Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what is considered the best Scott release aid available, the Scott Archery Ghost Release. If you're an archer looking for precision, comfort, and durability, this release aid might just be what you need to elevate your shooting experience. The Scott Ghost Release is designed with archers in mind, combining functionality and comfort into a sleek, ergonomic package. Right off the bat, you'll notice the signature Scott leather and neoprene comfort strap that ensures a snug yet comfortable fit on your wrist, reducing fatigue during long shooting sessions. This is paired with a solid swivel connector that offers 5 different length adjustments, allowing you to tailor the fit precisely to your preference and shooting style. One of the standout features of the Ghost Release is its magnetic auto trigger return. This means the trigger resets itself automatically, giving you a smooth, responsive shot cycle every time. Coupled with the true center pulling design, this release reduces loop torque, helping you maintain consistency and accuracy with each shot. Built to last, the stainless steel roller sear hook adds durability and a smooth release action, minimizing friction and wear over time. For those who need quick adjustments in the field, the Cam Lock fold-back strap connector allows you to fold the release head out of the way easily, preventing it from banging against your tree stand or gear as you move. The trigger itself is knurled for better tactile feedback, letting you feel the release without unnecessary slipping. On top of that, the Scott Ghost features trigger sensitivity adjustments, which means you can customize how much pressure is needed to fire the release. This is particularly useful for archers who want to fine-tune their setup for everything from target shooting to hunting. Ambidextrous by design, the Ghost caters to both left and right-handed shooters, broadening its appeal. Despite its robust features, it weighs just 0.3 pounds, making it lightweight enough to handle without feeling cumbersome. The dimensions of this release are well thought out, compact but effective, measuring approximately 1.7 by 6 by 10 inches. It's designed for adult use and built with quality materials like neoprene and leather, which adds a premium feel and ensures long-lasting comfort and reliability. Manufactured by Scott Archery, a trusted name in the field, the Ghost Release is a part of a legacy of quality release aids. It's been crafted with the individual archer in mind, offering adjustability and ease of use that accommodates a wide range of shooting styles. Whether you're a seasoned hunter or a competitive target shooter, this release aid aims to reduce torque, provide a smooth trigger action, and enhance your overall shooting accuracy. The magnetic auto return and cam lock features alone make it stand out in the crowded market of archery release aids. To sum it up, the Scott Archery Ghost Release combines precision engineering with comfort and durability. Its thoughtful design elements, from the stainless steel roller to the neoprene comfort strap, make it a worthy choice for anyone serious about archery. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you want to up your archery game with a release aid that's both reliable and adjustable, the Scott Ghost is definitely worth checking out. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest product reviews. See you next time.